All right, guys. So in this chapter, we're going to talk about how to calculate your actual offer price. And it's going to be short and sweet because we already did the heavy lifting. We did the hard part. We have the ARV and we have the estimated repair costs. Those are the two numbers you need to actually calculate your offer price. So let's get into it. So the formula, the nationwide formula that everybody uses is 70% of ARV minus the estimated repair costs minus your assignment fee. That is typically the nationwide formula for the markets that we're going to target. Those markets that average price home is under $350,000. That's that nationwide kind of formula that fits every bucket, right? So why is that the formula? So on most deals, your buyer, your rehabber, the flipper, he's going to want to make about 15% profit on that deal. On his money, he's going to want to make about 15%. And typically, he can hit that right on the dot with this formula. So if we can deliver that property on a platter and it fits these numbers, then that buyer should buy every time. And that's why it's such a good formula to go by, right? So let's give an example, okay? You got your ARV is $100,000. You got your estimated repair cost is $20,000, and you want to make $5,000 on that deal, right? You got the two numbers, ARV, estimated repair costs, and you have your profit. It's already built into the formula. So 70% of $100,000 is $70,000. Then you subtract the repair costs of $20,000. And then you subtract your assignment fee of $5,000. And that gives you $45,000. That's your offer price to the seller using this formula. And it's literally, it's as simple as that, guys. It's not difficult once you have the ARV and the estimated repair costs. Now we're just plugging in the numbers, right? So one thing you do have to also make note of is you have to adjust this formula a little bit based on your market, based on how popular, how hot that market is, or how rural that market is. A very hot market, I put down here, for example, a Dallas type of market would be 80% of ARV. The spread will be a little bit thinner for your buyer because it's such a hot market, right? So instead of 70%, you got to bump that up to 80% of ARV minus repairs minus your assignment. And then on the opposite end, very rural markets, you can spread it out a little bit. 65% of ARV minus repairs minus your assignment fee. Why? Because there's less competition. I can offer a little bit less because I'm not competing with so many people. So you're going to have to get that property a little bit better price. So that's literally the whole rundown of how you calculate your offer price. It's not hard. It's not rocket science. It's simply inputting ARV, inputting estimated repair costs, and inputting your profit that you want to make. I'll see you guys in the next chapter.